Dušan Tadić, born on November 20th, 1988, in Bačka Topola, Serbia, is a professional footballer renowned for his versatility as a forward and attacking midfielder. Throughout his career, he has played for several clubs, including Vojvodina, Groningen, Twente, Southampton, Ajax, and currently Fenerbahce. Club career: Vojvodina 2006 to 2010. Tadić began his professional career with Vojvodina, making 107 appearances and scoring 29 goals. Groningen 2010 to 2012. He then moved to the Dutch club Groningen, where he played 68 matches and netted 14 goals. Twente 2012-2014. At Twente, Tadic's performance peaked with 28 goals in 6 appearances. Southampton 2014 to 2018. Transitioning to the English Premier League, he joined Southampton, contributing 21 goals over 134 matches. Ajax 28 to 2023. Returning to the Netherlands, Tadić signed with Ajax, where he had a remarkable stint, scoring 105 goals and providing 112 assists in 241 matches. Turn search. Fenerbahce 2023 to present. Currently, Tadić plays for Fenerbahce in the Turkish Super League. International career: Tadić earned 111 caps for the Serbian national team, scoring 20 goals and providing 40 assists. He represented Serbia in major tournaments, including the 2018 and 2022 FIFA World Cups and UEFA Euro 2024. In July 2024, he announced his retirement from international football. Site Turn News 23. Assist record: in 2021, Tadić set a new world record for the most assists in a calendar year, providing 37 assists and surpassing Lionel Messi's previous record of 36 assists set in 2011. Site comparison with Lionel Messi. While Lionel Messi is widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time, Tadic's achievement in breaking Messi's assist record highlights his exceptional playmaking abilities. Although Messi has a more prolific goal-scoring record, Tadic's vision and creativity have established him as one of the top assist providers in modern football. Throughout his career, Dušan Tadić has demonstrated consistent excellence, contributing significantly to both club and country with his goal-scoring and playmaking skills.